guys, welcome back to Super Mom TV, and today is the day 3 of my Make 10K in 10 days challenge. So yesterday was day 2 and I have listed more things on my eBay store, and today I have received more sales, and the amount I will disclose to you later in my video. So even though I have listed more things and selling more items on my eBay, but the promoted listings that I did on some of my listings didn't actually sell. So the ones that I sold was purely all organic. So it proves that promoted listing didn't really work. I have tried the suggested eBay percentage of the promoted listing. I promoted it at 1%, it didn't work. I promoted higher percentage, like I even go up to 6%, and the item didn't sell either. So instead, all the listings which were organic ones that I have been always selling sold more. I did sell some new items as well. So if you want to know how much I have made for day 3, then you need to stick till the end, and I will disclose it to you how much I made. So even though I made more sales, but I'm still very left behind, and I heard some of other challenges, they are already making a lot of money. So I'm like slowly crawling and crawling. Yeah. So I'm quite worried that I might not be able to complete the 10K challenge. So I'm quite worried now. And yeah, so without further ado, let's jump right into that video.
Hi guys, welcome to the day 3 of my 10K in 10 days challenge. So I would like to update you on my latest sales. So last night and today, I received quite a number of sales, and I start to see bigger items sales today. So what I did was, yesterday I kept on listing and selling more of the bigger items. So I found some winning products on the kitchen cabinet, kitchen sink drying rack. So I put this more bigger items like this. So today my total sales up to now is about $320. So this is the amount of sales that I received over last night and today. So adding up to the total of these 3 days sales would be $460. So yesterday the amount was $140 and today is $320. So I hope that I will able to sell more. I will continue to list more items today. Yeah, I don't dare to list too many items because sometimes eBay might find me as a spam, and yeah, it is not advisable to dump in too many listings at one time. So yeah, so I'll continue listing more items and do more research on eBay, and I will sell more items. So I will update you tomorrow, which is the day 4. So I talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.
So on the day 3 video, I have made a total of $320. So from day 1 to day 3, I have made a total of $460. So I did make a significant more sales for the past 2 days, but I'm still really far behind from $10,000. So I think I need to change my plan or add on something. I will try something new. So I'm quite stressed now because I think one or two of the other challenges are really very fast. They make big money now. Yeah, maybe I will discuss a bit more tomorrow, as I will think of something tonight and will update you again tomorrow on my new game plan if there is any. So I'll see you tomorrow, which is the day 4 of the challenge. Bye bye.